Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create a low poly character in Blender. You can watch the tutorial from the top link. In this tutorial, we will make some adjustments to the model. Select the hair. Press the slash key on the numpad to isolate the hair. Select the inner faces and delete them. We don't need the faces that are invisible in the viewport. Hit the slash key again to get all objects back. Select the shirt, switch to edit mode, select the half of the shirt, and delete the vertices. Add a mirror modifier and enable the clipping option. Go back to the object mode and apply the modifier. Select the body and switch to edit mode. Go over the left arm and press L to select linked. Delete the vertices. Go over the right arm and press the L key to select. Press the P key and separate by selection. Rename the object as the arms. Add a mirror modifier and apply it. Select the face, switch to edit mode, and select the bottom vertices. Hit the E key to extrude so that fits inside. In the same way, select the pants and extrude the top vertices so that they fit inside the shirt. Select the shoes, go to edit mode, and select the bottom faces. Go to the front view, hit the S key, then the Z key, and enter 0. So the sole will be flattened. Select these edges. Press the S key to scale down on the X-axis. Press the Alt left click to select this edge loop, hold down the Shift, and select the other one. N key to open the right panel, go to the Edit tab, open up the loop tools, and flatten the edges. With the edges selected, go to the Edge menu and mark Sharp. Hit the A key to select all and move the character on the Z-axis so that the feet touch the ground. Alright. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to unwrap the UV map of the character. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.